Hello, this is the Disobedient Space Whale, and this is the Hangrees pooing toy. It's a slime-making parody, and just make sure that you know what a parody is. That means it's a joke. It's good to laugh. There's a bewildering array of these parodies. So I've gone for the Kaka, which I presume is supposed to be based on Chewbacca. There's also a turtle, a Freddy, a Harry Plopper. I didn't know what that was, but I think it's a Roblox, you see. So it's one of these delightful turd-based poo toys that you get these days. This one, you can actually make it do a poo, I think, I hope. Got it from Home Bargains. So obviously it hasn't perhaps been that popular, because if it ends up in Home Bargains, there's a good chance it's a remainder. So let's crack on and get pooing. I think a lot of this is down to that turd emoji. It's made poo very popular. Wow, this looks very complicated. Okay. Good for the environment, all this packaging. Right, so there's your Chewbacca, and there's its bum hole. How delightful. See, and it's got a tongue with some kind of horrible pustules on it, and maybe that's some kind of valve. Ulcer, that's the word. So here's your. They each come with sort of parody food items as well. You got a Kit Kat, Reese's Pieces. Yeah. Oh, very strange. Oh, there's some more as well. Yeah, the Buzz Toot, yeah. I would have said Buzz Shite, yeah, personally, but DJ Fart Mellow, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Splatterman. Oh, there's even a minion. Actually, does look like a minion. Anyway, let's get on with the pooing. Right, I don't actually know what I'm doing. Oh, and there's lots of foreign instructions. So, which one do we get rid of? Inhalt, inhoud. No, I don't want that, because I can't read that. Each container opens differently, so I've got to get the junk food container out. So this one is obviously a parody of everybody's favourite fried chicken, KFC, Kentucky Fried Mermaids. Why is it a mermaid? Do mermaids make you poo? Is that a thing? Mermaids pooing? Anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so I've opened the junk food container. I've got to get there's the toilet, a little bit to poo into. Right, I've got a packet of googly eyes. I dread to think what these googly eyes are for. Right. Oh, is it only going to be? Will this only work once? That's not great. Tear up the slime. So is this slime? That's the poo. It's actually got the turd emoji on. Tear up the slime powder and slime texture packets and point at the container with shaker ball. Right, okay. Oh, we might not need more. If you have the bag container, skip this step and pour the packet's contents into the ball directly into the character after adding the water. What? Tear up the slime powder. Do not remove the ball inside. Tightly close the lid and shake it up. If you have the bag container, which I do, I think. If you have the bag contains, skip this step and pour the packet's contents in the bowl directly into the character after adding the water. Well, I wanted... Oh, so I'm missing out on the fun. So that, you know, don't go for that then. Well, that was a waste of time. Right, so... Pour the packet's contents and the bowl directly into the character after adding the water. Fill the toilet up to the fill line with room temperature water. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add the poo stuff. Oh God, it's gone everywhere. I have to put the ball in. This is the texture apparently, which is Google eyes. It's enough to give you nightmares. I think I'll be having disturbing visions of pooing out eyeballs. Well, that's suitably disgusting. Okay, make sure I haven't missed any of the eyeballs. Put more of the powder in. So I have to shake this up, don't I? I'm gonna get... It's gone everywhere. I'm already getting this child's toy wrong. Right, I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Right, so... Where are we? Before beginning, make sure the leg's in standing position. Open its mouth and pour in the water. Feed your character. Pour the contents inside the junk food into your character. The shaker ball should just go in the character. And then you give it a good shake. Right, I see. So that's what's going to make it poo. The agitation of it will make it poo. Right, this is in the standing position. Well, yeah, I don't think it's going to stand up that well, though. Right, okay, so... So I'll pour it in here. Okay, and there's big weird colours. So he's eating that in. Hopefully Chewbacca's enjoying that. Tongue should be up. Right, okay. Slightly close its mouth, then hold on, shake for 1 minute. 57. Is this a George Lucas approved product? That's what I want to know. Oh, my hand's getting tired. At least I'm getting a bit of exercise with this novelty. I'm changing from a mystic character direct over the toilet facing forwards. For a perfect fit, lift its left leg. Right, come on then, Chewbacca. Right, sit there. And then make character poop slime, lift its right leg, its butt will open and poop slime in the toilet. Allow the poop slime to sit in the toilet for 10 minutes. Why? What happens if you don't do that? Turns into a gremlin or something. Great. And I've missed it on camera. I've missed it on camera. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry, everybody. It's not the consistency of it isn't very... that's like something from a night, like a vision of hell. Right, we'll try again. This is the most disgusting thing ever. Right. Here we go. I should need to add sound effects. I think maybe it's too runny. He's got diarrhea. There's the bum hole opening. I think maybe I haven't put enough of this powdery. I lost a lot of it. So the consistency is it's too runny. Oh, this is absolutely horrible. I'm also a bit disappointed it doesn't look more like poo. It should be more brown, I think, really. It would be, you know, weird purple eyes mess. It's not as good as poo. Well, there's only one packet, so that's it. Now, when you enjoy your fun of pooing, then that's it. You can't redo it, can you? That's a bit of a disappointment. So what you're supposed to do... Add this... hate that. Looks like something from H.P. Lovecraft. Yeah, well, I'm a mess. The table's a mess. It's all gone cack. Oh well, thanks for watching, and don't have nightmares. Do sleep well.